we took note of the IP address and the network interface name. We used IP-ADDR show. Now we're going to use these details. If you have a server, that server should have a fixed, non-changing IP address. Normally, when you set up a computer in your local network, that IP remains constant, provided the machine is on. If the server is off, when the computer comes back online and requests an IP address, the router may not give it the same IP. Imagine the implication in which you have programmed your other computers to translate post-its.homenet.lan into an IP address, and the IP address has changed. So the first thing we're going to do is to make the IP address of our server fixed so that it never changes. Effectively, we're going to hardcode the IP address. Depending on what equipment you have at home and your familiarity with the topic, things can be different, but I'm going to go broadly over the topic. The first thing you need to do is to check in etc/netplan the YAML file that describes your network interface. Edit it with elevated privileges and replace the entire contents of the file with the sample script here. You need to make certain changes. These are for the setup I have described here. Amongst them, you need to change the interface name. You need to set the IP address so that it is within the context of your network. My network is 192.168.16. If your network is different, you have to adjust these. You have to adjust the DNS settings as well.